Hello and welcome to a new video. Here I will show you another great update that I made for my plugins. So starting from now, nested shortcodes will be able to be used not only in the generated post content, but also when posting directly to social networks or to websites in the post message template. So also here, besides of all these shortcodes, you will be able to use the shortcodes generated by other plugins. So let me demonstrate this real quick. So when you will be posting to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or any other social network that is supported by our plugins, then you will be able to create an importing rule from Usermatic, let's say, and use the shortcode that it provides. So you should be able to copy this and paste it here. So instead of post title, let's say I want to use the content generated by Newsomatic from this rule. So in this case, content from the Newsomatic will be inserted here, and the newly published post link will be inserted here instead of this shortcode. So I think this is a great update. Please give it a try. Okay, so until next time, bye bye.